How are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice emoji. You can see that I already have drawn a circle previously. So I did the circle with this compass. This is the instrument I used for the drawing of the circle. You can use other instruments too. Okay, let's do the outline for the guy who is smiling. So this is the mouth, the smiley face. This is the eye. Also, this is the eye. And you can do the sign like the Nike, but this is a little bit upside down. Okay, so this is the basic shape. Now we can fill up inside to make these outlines a clearly bold outline. You can see the eyebrow is getting nicer. Okay, and now we're going to draw the eyes here. Few simple techniques make the emoji drawing a nice one. Okay, so you can see the whole drawing, the outline is complete. Now we're going to put the colors for this drawing. Let's use the marker to put the color. All right, you can see here the color of the marker is making the drawing a bright one. All right, so the drawing is complete. This is very fast, and the first process making the drawing looking good. So yeah, this looks good. All right, I hope you like the video. You can go to the playlist and browse other categories and select your own choices. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon sound to get the new updates. Thank you so much. Have a good day.